Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mr. Cooper here. I am welcoming everybody back for the second semester of our 23-24 school year. And I wanted to pass along a few updates and changes that we are facing due to constructions and renovation here on our campus. So what we have here, making sure everyone is aware, is our front office is changing locations effective today, which is January 2nd of 2024. So our front office in the past has been here in the front of the main building, but we've lost access to the majority of the main building due to our renovations that's taken place in the front office. So we are moving our front office, and in order to access the front office, guys, you're going to come on campus on East Hall Drive. You follow the cursor here. You'll come up, go around the PAC, okay, in front of the main gym, and the next building here is the Fine Arts Building. That's where the main office is going to be located now. It is going to be in the first classroom on the left when you enter that building. So anytime you are bringing a student to check in late, coming to meet with teachers, checking someone out, you will report here to the main office, which is going to be in the Fine Arts Building. There'll be parking places here where you see visitor parking on both sides that you'll be able to utilize to park as you arrive on campus to bring a student to check in late or check out a student or for any kind of parent meetings. But again, our front office or main office is going to be here in the Fine Arts Building. Once you've taken care of the business that you're on campus for, you will still be able to exit down the hill and out this part of our main gate area. It is an exit only area, but you will be able to exit back onto East Hall Road from this point. So, in updating everyone in regards to other things other than the main office, our guidance office, which we moved earlier before the school year started, okay, or actually during the school year, it is going to be still in that first classroom in the main building. And the classrooms along this side of this main building are still there, along with horticulture, and some classrooms on this back side of the main building are still there. But from the front office space to the media center, all the way over to our new building area, all of that space is being renovated beginning January 15th through the remainder of the school year. So all of this area is going to be off limits to students and our community folks. So no one will be allowed in that space. I wanted to make sure everyone is aware of these changes because it is quite different than what we've had operated under throughout this school year. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 770-536-9921. Looking forward to have a great second half of the school year. Go Vikings.